Hi, good evening. Welcome to Stock Market Fundas. If you look at the Nifty chart, sir, there was no selling pressure from the last 2 days, and after giving a consolidation breakout, a good move is has been given by the Nifty. First, let's look at the option chain chart, sir. If we see at the option chain 17,600, a good change in OI has been. That means 17,600 will act as support as of now by looking at the option chain. This is of 23rd September, that is the next week option chain, and upside 17,700, 800, and 18,000 is the highest call writing is seen. So if Nifty starts moving above the high which it has made today, that is 17,645, then we may see Nifty moving towards 17,700, 17,720. And if it sustains above 17,720, then we may see further upside Nifty moving towards 17,777 and 17,820. That is the highest peak I am expecting, and 100%, not 100%, still nothing is 100%. A sharp fall I am expecting from that level. Mark on your chart, sir. And whenever a stock or index move in one direction without giving any correction, this is a parabolic move, sir. 100%. This is a parabolic move. And if it is not giving any correction, then the speed which it is increasing, it will fall with the double speed. So be alert, be careful. Uh, okay, bull run, everything is fine, sir. Always a correction, a dip has to come, then a market has to move up. If it's moving in single direction without giving any minor correction also, then you should be actually fearful. Okay. So let's analyze the bank nifty, sir. Bank nifty is about to give breakout today. Also, it has given the high which is made in Feb, that is 16th Feb, was 37,708. Today high made was 37,720, and already it has breached the high. But tomorrow if start trading about 37,720, Bank Nifty is looking good to buy, sir. A strength has come in the Bank Nifty. So your first target will be 37,935, 38,000, and 38,000 being a round psychological number. If it sustains for half an hour above that level and the high which it has made, it crosses that, then your target will be 38,355, 38,615. This is the last uh, I am expecting Bank Nifty to reverse from these two levels, that is 38,615 and 38,825. And again, a panic selling may come from these levels. So keep on radar and mark these levels on your chart. Now, if we look at the stocks, the first stock is looking good to me is SBIN, because if you see, sir, Bank Nifty is about to give breakout. Same is the chart with your SPI 52 high which it has made on 4th August. Now after a month and a half, it is about to breach and make a new high. So stock tomorrow if start trading above today's high which it has made, then you may see up to 480 level SBI tomorrow. So you can keep this stock on radar as well. Now the next stock from finance sector is Chola Finance. If you see, it has also given a breakout, actually a all time high new closing, sir. This is new closing, that too all time high. And stock, I already have given you BTST, but we have earned enough, so maximum people have booked the profit also. Almost 15,000 profit was given, sir. Now above high, if it start trading, stock may touch 630 to 650 levels tomorrow. So this is one stock which is looking good to me for trading. Next stock from the finance only, sir, SR Transfin. If you see, sir, this is a shoulder, this is head, and this is another shoulder. 1412 is the breakout level, and if the stock starts trading above this level, then we may see stock moving towards the all-time high 1500, 1550. So this is one stock which is looking good to me on all the time frame. If you see, sir, in the last 75 minutes, a good buying volume has come and exactly at the resistance. Tomorrow it may give a breakout and stock is good to trade. Another point is from last 10 days the stock was in consolidation, then it has made a move. So tomorrow, high probability it will also give a good return. The next stock which is on radar is Biocon, sir. Biocon, if you look at this, a beautiful breakout of the trend line with volume is given, sir. But hold a minute. Earlier, this zone was acting as a 775, 76 to 380 was a support zone for the Biocon. Now it will act as resistance. So tomorrow above 380, stock may try to move towards 390, 400 level. This is one stock which is looking good from the pharma sector. One, two, three, four. Next stock is Reliance, sir. Reliance, if you see, again a beautiful breakout of the trend line with volume, and now stock is holding at the top of the level. So tomorrow about 2438, the stock may move towards the 2452, 2480. This is one stock which is looking bullish to me for tomorrow. One more stock is Apollo. Sir, Apollo, if you see, a trend line breakout is has been given, but 4,900 is a resistance for the stock. 4,900 above, if it start traveling, then it may give you 40 to 50 rupees move upside. So this is one stock which you can keep on radar. Next stock, HDFC Life, sir. Around 1 week, 10 days, the stock was sideways, and it was exactly at the high which it has made previously, was acting as resistance, and today finally it has tried to breach it and gave closing above it. So tomorrow above the high which the stock has made today, that is the 756.57 level. So we may see move towards the 775 level, stock moving towards that. You can keep this also stock on radar, sir. Very, these all stocks are looking very bullish, sir, for tomorrow, and rest it's on the market and operator how they take it. The next stock I can say is uh, HDFC AMC, about 3300, sir. I am very bullish on this stock about 3300. This time, if it crosses that level, sustain 15 minutes above that level, and the same candle high is broken, you will see 3400 on the cards. My positional target is 3500. Yes, 3500 is my positional target. And above that also 4000 also it can go. It has lot of potential, sir. Keep on radar. And about to give breakout, bhai dega, 100% it will give. Jubilant Food, sir, about to give breakdown, I can say, or a good selling has come exactly at the support zone, sir. If tomorrow it start traveling below 4090, you can see stock moving towards this trend line, that is 4060. Or if trend line is broken, you may see stock moving towards the round number, that is 4000. This is one stock which you can keep on radar on the selling side. One more stock on selling side is looking very beautiful chart pattern, sir. Chai ki cup and handle. So if tomorrow it breaks the neckline, that is 498 or 496, below that if you start traveling, you can see a good selling pressure. And one more thing is 1500 being a round psychological number, it will act as support and resistance. So tomorrow it may bounce from the 1500 level, but if it breaches the 1500 level, then you can see a good panic in the stock. These are the stocks for tomorrow which are looking good to me. Any changes in the views? Now our view towards the buying only, sir. I- Expecting 38,000 plus Bank Nifty tomorrow. So immediately, bindas, you can buy. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.